Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove a member in Notion. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start, access your Notion homepage, which serves as the main dashboard where you manage all your workspaces. Once you're there, your first task is to locate the Settings menu. Clicking on this will take you to the administrative controls for your workspace. Within the Settings menu, look for the People section. This is where you'll manage everyone associated with your workspace. From here, you need to click on the Members subsection, where you can manage individual memberships. This section will provide an overview of who is in your workspace and what their roles are. Next, scroll through the list of members to find the person you'd like to remove. Once you've located their name, click on the Workspace option next to it. This will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option that says Remove from Workspace. At this point, Notion will prompt you to select a reason for removing the member. After choosing the appropriate reason, click Continue. This step is a confirmation to ensure you're intentionally moving forward with the removal process. Finally, complete the process by clicking Remove Member. This will confirm your action, and the selected person will be removed from your Notion workspace. And that's it. So that is how you can remove a member in Notion. So that's all for this video. Thanks.